What is up, you guys? Steven Chin here with Amazing MFG, and today in this video we're going to go over some FAQs. So let's jump right into it. Greg asks, do you think there's any possibility of competing against your clients by focusing on one industry? If you're trying to build your best listings for your automotive clients, wouldn't that prevent you from working with another client who sells the same products? Now, I understand where Greg's coming from with this question. We had the same questions when Austin and I decided to niche down to one industry and one industry only. For example, if we take on the automotive industry, if we take on one manufacturer, does that take up the whole market for automotive products? And the answer is no. Although a manufacturer takes on and manufactures a number of SKUs, they don't manufacture every single product in that industry. For example, they typically have like a specialty. If we're keeping the automotive as the topic, there might be an automotive manufacturer who does like the lighting. There might be an automotive who does like, parts for, performance, or maybe let's say the seat covers or the interior design. So they don't do everything automotive. So for example, you might take on a manufacturer who does like lighting for a car, for example, right? You take on that manufacturer, you optimize their listings, and you get them up and running. Then you look for a manufacturer who maybe does the performance parts. You get that one up and going. And then you continue the cycle until you completely fill the market for all automotive products. And keep in mind that no client is going to stay a client forever. So maybe 12 months from now, maybe the lighting manufacturer drops off, right? Then you already know that industry. So what is preventing you from getting another automotive lighting manufacturer and kind of filling that space for your agency? You've already kind of done the work, you kind of already know the market, you already know the clients, you already know what the customers are looking for, you already know how to optimize those listings. So you fill the gap by taking on another manufacturer who does lighting. Now, again, eventually at some point in your agency's life, you're going to tap out that market. Maybe, 15 clients from now, you have every automotive part in the automotive industry. There's nothing preventing you from taking on a second industry or a third industry. We just recommend you guys starting with one industry to start with, because there's a lot of benefits. We go over this in another video, but there's a lot of benefits for niching down to one industry. And especially when you're just starting your agency, you don't want to kind of bite off more than what you can handle, especially day one. So we encourage you guys to niche down to one industry, knowing that you have the opportunity to do a second and to do a third. So I hope that answers your question. My name is Steven Chin with Amazing MFG, and looking forward to doing another FAQ video. Thanks, guys.